Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will see how to connect a real device to your laptop or a host system. To connect a real device to your laptop or a host system, first thing is you need to do some settings on the real device. On the real device, go to settings, go to about phone and tap the build number 7 times to enable developer option. For the first time, whenever you go to about phone and if you start tapping on the build number, it will say how many times before you enable the developer option. So after 7 times, it will give you a notification saying that the developer option is enabled. So you need to make sure that this developer option is enabled. And once the developer option is enabled, then the second thing is you need to enable USB debugging. On the previous screen, where you have enabled the developer option, so under developer option there will be USB debugging option which will be turned off by default. So you need to enable that. That means you need to turn on USB debugging. So this is the most important step. You need to make sure that these two steps are complete before you connect a real device to your laptop or a desktop. So once these two steps are complete, then you need to download a particular application called Vysor on the host machine or your laptop or desktop. So to download that, you need to go to vysor.io and click on download and select the operating system which you are using. So since I am using Windows here, I have already downloaded it and installed. The installation is straightforward. Once it is installed, you need to open up the Vysor app. Okay, now it is opening up. For the first time, whenever you open up Vysor under choose device, so there will not be any choose device option here. It will start off with settings. Then what you need to do is you need to connect your real device using the USB to your laptop or desktop. So Vysor will automatically detect the device which is connected through USB. So once it has detected the device, so click on view. So it will connect to your real device and then it will show you the home screen. The first step is go to settings, right? So in order to enable the developer option, you need to go to settings and then go to about phone and you need to click on this build number 7 times in order to enable developer option. Then you need to enable USB debugging. So this is how we can connect a real device to your host system using Vysor. That is the end of this session. Thanks for watching.